If you're using Windows 8.1 and want to install Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to download and install Chrome safely using the official website only. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and by the end, you'll have Chrome up and running on your Windows 8.1 computer in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any browser that's already available on your computer. You can use Internet Explorer, Firefox, or any other browser you have installed. Since Chrome is not installed yet, we just need something that can get us online. Once the browser opens, click into the search bar and type Google Chrome download, then press enter and look through the results carefully. The important part here is to make sure you open the official Google Chrome download page from Google. Avoid random third-party download sites because those can sometimes include outdated files, unsafe installers, or extra software you don't want on your PC. Always stick with the official source when downloading browser software. After you open the official Chrome website, you should see the download page for Google Chrome. On that page, click the Download Chrome button. Your browser will begin downloading the setup file, and you may be asked where you want to save it. If that happens, choose a location that's easy to find, like your Downloads folder or your desktop. Once the file has finished downloading, go to the location where it was saved and open the setup file. Windows may ask if you want to run the file, so click Run to continue. From there, follow the on-screen installation steps. Chrome usually installs automatically, so you don't need to manually configure a lot of settings. Just let the installer do its job and wait for it to complete. After the installation is finished, Google Chrome should launch on its own, or you can open it from your desktop or Start menu. At that point, you're ready to sign in, sync your bookmarks, and start browsing the web with Chrome on Windows 8.1. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on Windows 8.1 using the official download method. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials, easy fixes, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.